Dahil sinabi ko sa inyo na may paraan para makatipid ng millions, gusto mong makatipid ng milyon sa pagbili ng lot only dito sa Solen Residences. Ito yung hindi sinasabi ng ibang agent na kausap mo. Usually guys, kapag sa developer ka nag-avail ng lote, fixed na yung price nito. Unless may mga promos like spot down payment or limited discount. Pero tayo, may another option kung saan pwede kang makatipid ng milyon. We have access to off-market or resale listing. Dito pumapasok yung opportunity na makabili ka ng property na below market value. And yes, below zonal value pa. If you are still looking to buy a property dito sa Solen Residences, grab this opportunity. May mga available listing tayo dito sa Solen from 155 square meter up to 262 square meter. Ito yung mga pupuntahan natin ngayon. So tara, let's go! Nandito na tayo sa first lot listing natin dito sa phase 1 ng Solen Residences. So itong property na to guys is may sukat na 157 square meter lot area. Actually, dalawang lote siyang magkatabi. Meron lang nag-rent dun sa kabila. Same owner lang sila. And FYI guys, nasa abroad po yung owner nito. Pero wala po tayong dapat ikabahala sa transaksyon. Dahil may consularized SPA po tayo at dadaan po tayo sa tamang proseso. Anyway guys, isa sa mga nagustuhan natin personally dito sa property ay kung saan nakapwesto itong property. Dahil dito sa Solen Residences ay semi-underground utilities tayo. Meaning, sa isang side ng street ay walang poste. Habang sa kabilang side naman ay merong poste. At yung side na walang poste, doon nakapwesto ang property na ino-offer ko sa inyo. Perfect for cleaner street view, mas open ang surrounding. Plus, this lot is just 2 blocks away from the playground. Kaya ideal ito sa mga magsisimula pa lang ng family nila. Imagine, walking distance lang, safe and convenient para sa mga kids natin. For the price, each lot is 5.7 million pesos. With CGT is included at updated rin ang OWA dues and real property tax. Kung ito yung pipiliin nyo, expect nyo na rin yung additional expenses para sa pagta-transfer ng title like material fee, DST, transfer tax, and registration fee. Ang total ng mga fees na ito is roughly 353,000 based on the zonal value. So again, kung itong property yung mapipili mo, aabot ng roughly 6 million pesos, 78,000 all in, kasama na lahat hanggang matransfer ang title sa buyer. Alright guys, let's proceed sa second lot listing natin. Dito pa rin yan sa phase 1 ng Solen. What we have here is 179 square meter lot area. Itong second lot listing natin guys is second to the corner lot property, which is a big plus para sa atin. Nasa side din siya ng street na walang poste, so malinis yung frontage niya. For the price, you can avail this lot for only 35,000 per square meter. On that price, included na ang CGT, owner will update the OWA dues or amilyar if there any balance. Expect additional expenses for transfer of title. It's around 402,000 pesos. If you need a breakdown, use the comment section or make a call, message me on the number flashing on your screen. And now guys, let's proceed sa third listing natin. Tara! So guys, nandito na tayo sa third lot resale listing natin. This lot is 156 square meter and nasa abroad din yung may-ari. Pero wag po kayong mag-alala dahil complete documents po ito at may consularized SPA. Kaya smooth yung magiging transaction. Dahil bago pa man mailisting ito sa company natin, tayo po ang unang nag-due diligence sa mga documents ng property. So alam natin kung may problema ang title or ready na for sale. Again, this lot has 156 square meter at nasa side po siya ng may poste. Pero nakakatuwa lang din kasi hindi nasakop o naging parte ng property yung poste. So clear po yung kabuuan ng lote. Look at the surroundings, napaka-peaceful and relaxing. Plus, napakalapit sa playground. Perfect for families or even future homeowners. So kung ito yung property na pipiliin mo, same price lang siya ng first lot listing natin, 5.7 million pesos. At all in total cost, roughly 6,078,000 pesos. Kasama na lahat hanggang matransfer ang title sa buyer. Okay guys, if you have any question, feel free to drop them sa comment section. Now, let's proceed to the fourth listing natin dito sa Solen. So guys, welcome dito sa phase 3 ng Solen Residences. What we have here is 248 square meter lot area na napakalapit sa clubhouse and literally walking distance. And kung titignan natin sa kategory ng lot dito sa Solen Residences, this is considered a prime diamond lot. So kung sa developer ka mag-a-avail ng ganitong klase ng lote, nasa around 59,000 per square meter na to, which is roughly nasa 14,600,000 pesos plus 4% miscellaneous fee. Naaabot din ng around 500,000. But here's the good news. You can avail this lot for only 9 million pesos gross, meaning CGT included na, and owner will also settle any balance sa OWA dues or RPT kung meron man. Ideal ito sa mga clients na nagpa-plan mag-apply ng bank financing dahil this property currently has an existing loan sa China Bank with around 3 million pesos remaining balance. So, if open kayo sa ganitong type ng transaction, we will guide you step by step kung paano siya i-handle through bank financing. Sa ganitong situation kasi, may iba't ibang klaseng process kung paano natin siya i-execute. But don't worry, we'll walk you through everything and guide you in the best possible way. Actually, for me, this is one of the safest option, especially kapag bank financing. Kasi si bangko talaga ang katransaction mo and sila na rin ang mag-handle ng transfer of title. So far guys, naka 4 listing na tayo and we are now proceeding sa 5th lot listing natin. This is a corner lot, so stay tuned dito sa video na to. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa phase 3 pa rin ng Solen Residences. And itong property na ipipresent ko sa inyo is actually the biggest cut in our inventory dito sa Solen Residences. So what we have here is 262 square meter lot area. Sa lot category ng Solen Residences, of course, this is considered a prime diamond lot. Again, kung sa developer ka mag-a-avail ng similar lot cut, nasa around 15,400,000 pesos plus miscellaneous fee na roughly 600,000 pesos. Pero dahil sinabi ko sa inyo na may paraan para makatipid ng millions, This corner lot is available for only 9.2 million pesos. CGT included and kasama na rin ang OWA dues and real property tax. Again, expect the additional expenses for transfer of title, roughly 500 to 600,000 pesos. Imagine almost 6 million pesos ang potential savings mo sa property na ito. And if you look at it, malaking advantage na rin ito if you're planning to build your own home. So if you have any question regarding the properties we showcased today, feel free to contact me at 0931-006-3923. Available on Viber and WhatsApp. And for property owners in Laguna who are considering selling, you may also reach out. I'd be happy to assist you in marketing your property and connecting you with the right buyers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next property.